for coming today and taking the time to join this meeting. As you all know, Sabra will celebrate its 5th anniversary next month, a meaningful milestone that marks 5 years of teamwork, creativity, and shared growth across our branch. Before we begin, please stay focused throughout the discussion so we can make clear and effective discussion together. For today's meeting, we have several important agenda items. First, we'll discuss about the event and concept. Second, we'll move on to the budget, planning and sponsorship. Third, we'll go over the venue and the operation plan. Fourth, we'll discuss the guest list, entertainment and activities. The fifth, we'll review the promotion and communication strategy. Sixth, we'll go through our final decision and next steps. And finally, we'll end with the closing remarks. This year's celebration will be held at the Silas Agrotourism Bedugul, and we want it to be simple, warm, and meaningful, a time to appreciate our journey together. Now, let's begin with the first agenda, event and concept. Event planner, please start.
Thank you for your time. For this year, as we keep the mandem is one style, one soul, and one Sakura. It really represents our unity and shared a spirit as one big family. It's a simple, powerful, and meaningful, perfect for our 5th anniversary celebration.
Okay, I get the message and I like it, your idea, but I think it sounds a bit too serious for a celebration. Maybe we can make more cheerful by adding a tagline like one style, one show, one Sakura, celebrate together. It will sound more fun and festive.
Yes, I agree with that. Something short-term are easier to remember and more flexible for the design. And also, the concept of one style, one soul, one Sakura already feel complete. It doesn't really need extra work.
Exactly, you can keep them simple but express the fun through the activity and visual. And for example, we can use colorful lighting, natural decor, and lively music, so it still feels festive.
I totally agree with that. You can highlight the drop, consistent color palette, maybe soft gold and white show unity and elegance. It will look great our photo and video.
Okay, discussion everyone. So we'll agree to keep the mandem, one style, one soul, and one Sakura. It's timeless, elegant, and truly representing who we are as a growing company. To make it more cheerful, we'll show the fun through visual and activity during the event. Alright, since we'll agree on the theme and concept, let's move on the next agenda, budget planning and sponsorship. Now, I'll hand it over to our finance manager to explain the budget details.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Nanu. Let's talk about the budget. Based on our plan, we need money for transportation, venue, food, decoration, sound system, and price. I estimate the total cost will be around 70 million rupiah. Right now, we have about 85 employees from all brands and around 10 inviters. So this budget should be enough for everyone.
That sounds reasonable, but I'm a bit worried. 17 million make it too low, and the Silas Agrotourism is quite big and usually charge extra for lighting, sound system, and outdoor setup. Maybe we should prepare a little more money so we don't run into problem later.
Yes, that is a good point. But I would agree with cutting the budget costs. This is even a very special for our employees in our 5th anniversary. We should give them good food, nice place, and fun activity so they are willing to feel appreciated.
Okay, I understand your point, but I'm not saying we should make it too simple. But I think we should spend wisely. Sometimes people remember a good food and good moments more than expensive decoration. We can still make it beautiful without wasting the money.
I agree with that. For example, instead of big decoration, and we can use simple wooden tables, green plants, and warm lighting. It fits the nature gem and doesn't cost too much.
Yes, definitely. Don't forget about souvenir. I think every employee should get a small gift. Every something like silver or bag or baking just to remember the day.
Okay, I agree with that. We can make the souvenir simple but it's meaningful. Also, we can ask our partner brand to help with door prize or souvenir. That way we save some money and still make the event fun.
That's a smart idea, but maybe we should be careful to make sponsor make the event look commercial. We want it to feel personal and warm, not like advertisement.
Okay, I see your point. But I think we can manage it. We can give sponsor a small spot in the banner of the souvenir packaging. But not too big, it's all about balance.
This is a good plan, so we all agree the total budget is 75 million rupiah, and we'll find some sponsor to support the event. Let's make sure we use the budget wisely to create a warm, happy, and memorable celebration for everyone. Okay, great job everyone. I'm happy that we agree on the budget and sponsorship plan. Everything sounds clear and well prepared. Now, let's move on to the next agenda, the venue and decoration plan. I'll hand it over to our event planner to explain the concept and layout for the celebration.
Okay, for the decoration, I suggest a natural casual concept and using fairy lights, wooden furniture, and local flowers to match the beautiful atmosphere. And since the event will be held at the Silas Agrotourism, and we can use the natural view and as the main background. And I imagine it as a warm evening celebration with soft lighting, fresh hair, and simple elegance.
Okay, that sounds beautiful. I totally agree. This kind of decoration fits Sephora image, stylish, natural, and cozy. And also looks great for photo and video, which will help us promote the event and social media.
Okay, I like the concept too, but I have a small concern. We know that Bedugul weathers can be unpredictable. Sometimes it's rain even in the afternoon, so I disagree with using only outdoor setup. We should prepare tents or comfort our area just in case in rain to make sure everyone stay comfortable.
That's a good point. Actually, we can use the main garden area for the seats and seating, and prepare two tents on the side for food and backup shelter. And that way, even if it rains, the event can still continue smoothly.
Okay, that's a great idea. It's also a sweet teamwork before the event, which fits our time, one style, one song, one Sephora. We can post behind the screen content to show everyone participation.
Okay, yes, that will also make the company looks more unique. So, to summarize, the concept will be natural casual with a mix of outdoor and tent setup, local vendor, and reuse material for decoration.
That's an excellent summary. So we all agree the event will use natural visual done with from lightning, wooden elements, and local flowers. The main space will be outdoor, but we'll also prepare tents and backup for rain. We'll use local vendors, involve employees in decoration, and create a friendly, cozy, and sustainable atmosphere. Let's make sure it feels elegant but still relaxed, something that truly reflects Sephora. Good discussion, everyone. I really like the decoration concept. It perfectly makes Sephora warm and elegant image. Now let's move on to our next agenda, guest list, entertainment, and activity. I'll handle it over to our HR representative to lead this part.
Thank you, Mr. Daniel, for the opportunity. For the guest list, I suggest invite our employees for the 5 Sephora brands with a few important guests include our founder, loyal customer, and business partner.
I see your point, but I disagree. This event is our 5th anniversary. It's milestone. Having more guests, especially for our partner, will strengthen our network and publicity. It's also an opportunity to create stronger brand engagement. The more people experience our culture and spirit.
Okay, that's true, but we should also consider the budget and space at the Silas Agrotourism. I suggest inviting all employees but limit external guests to around 10 people.
Yeah, that's a good balance. So we'll invite our staff from 5 brands and about 10 important guests. You guys agree?
Agree.
Now for the entertainment, I suggest we keep the activity interactive and fun, and maybe start with candle blowing and tumpeng cutting, followed by a few games to build teamwork.
That's a great start. I think we should add an employee impression segment to give awards to the best performing staff. It motivates everyone.
I completely agree with that. It will show that Sephora values its people. One, just its business growth, and it's also good content for our social media, a check to highlight our employees and share their inspiring stories.
Okay, I agree, but I think we should keep the games short and simple so the event does not drag on too long. Maybe just 2 games.
Okay, what's your one? I was thinking both the Toast Tower and a steam building challenge and Sephora trivia, and to test how well employees know the movement.
That's fun, but I suggest replacing the tour games with something relaxed, like who mostly like to Sephora edition. It's more personal and great flavor.
Nice suggestion. So we'll do team building with the tallest tower and voting game. Who's most likely to separation? After that, we'll lucky draw and employee award to close the evening. Okay, that was wonderful discussion about the guest list and activity. Everything sounds exciting and well played. Now let's move on to the next agenda, promotion and communication strategy. I'll hand it over to our marketing officer to share the ideas for promoting the event.
Okay, thank you for the time, Mr. Danu. For promotion, I suggest using the hashtag Sephora at 5 and 1 Sephora. Each brand create a short teaser video, and during the event we can post that updates. I also recommend making a simple recap video afterward. It doesn't need to be heavy and just clean and meaningful.
Okay, I agree with the plan, but I'm confused about the cost. Video production can become expensive, so I prefer we use our internal media team instead of hiring professional. It will reduce expensive, will still keeping the content acceptable.
I support the idea, especially the recap video, but I want to make sure our brands are so thoroughly. For innovation, I recommend frequent innovation only for quick because it's giving a formal impression. Digital innovation are enough for employees, so we avoid ensuring increasing costs.
Okay, good job everyone. I really like the promotional idea. They are creative, cost efficient, and align perfectly with our term. Now let's move on to the next agenda, final discussion and next steps, so we can review everything we've agreed and finalize the plan together. Alright, let's summarize our final discussion for the Sephora 50th anniversary celebration. Please let me know if I missed anything.
The logo will be a one style, one soul, and one Sephora. I will highlight the fun and unity through visual activity and cheerful decoration.
Okay, The total budget will be 75 million rupiah with 10 to 50 million expected from sponsorship. We will work with local vendors in Bedugul to save a cost and support the community.
Okay, for the winners, we will invite 85 employees from the 5 brands and 10 import brands, include our founder, loyal customer, and partner brands. We also prepare a small family-friendly area for comfort and relaxation.
Okay, the event concept will be controversial, using warm lights, modern elements, and local flowers. For promotion, we use hashtag #OneSephora and hashtag #Sephora@5 on social media. Create short video promote each brand and post live updates during the event. Afterward, we make the video music or internal media team.
Okay, for activity we have going and overpricing. Team BIM is build the Tower Power and bring game will most like to Sephora Edition, Lucky Draw and Employee Appreciation Award.
Okay, so perfect. Everything sounds well balanced, professional, fun, and meaningful. Each department should finalize their preparation by next Monday, and we'll have a short coordination checks next week. And let's make this event a reflection of our unity, creativity, and gratitude. Thank you everyone for your teamwork and great ideas today. We've made solid plans for Sephora 5th anniversary celebration, a moment to appraise how far we've come as one family. Let's make sure everything runs smoothly and joyful so our team and guests truly feel the spirit of one style, one soul, and one Sephora. The meeting is officially adjourned. See you all at the next coordination.
Bye.